In today's video, we will compare three most important regions of Asia: South Asia, Southeast Asia, and East Asia, and we'll see that where they stand in 2025. Let's start the video. South Asia is home to 8 countries, namely India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Afghanistan, and Maldives. Southeast Asia is home to 11 countries. There are total 8 countries in East Asia, namely China, South Korea, North Korea, Japan, Taiwan, and Mongolia. I have considered Hong Kong and Macau as part of China. With total population of more than 2 billion people, South Asia is the most populous region on planet Earth. East Asia is the second most populous region on planet Earth with total population of 1.72 billion people. Southeast Asia is home to only 700 million people. South Asia is the most densely populated region, followed by Southeast Asia and East Asia. East Asia is huge, even it's larger than Europe. With total land area of 11.8 million km square, it's the largest region in the world. South Asia is larger than Southeast Asia. Average South Asian is the youngest with average age of only 28 years, whereas average East Asian is almost 40 years old. South Asia has the largest youth population in the world. India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh are the most populous countries of South Asia. Indonesia, Philippines, and Vietnam are the most populous countries of Southeast Asia, whereas China, Japan, and South Korea are the most populous countries in East Asia region. Two giant nations, China and India alone, account for more than 70% population of South and East Asia region, whereas Indonesia alone accounts for more than 40% population of Southeast Asia. Nominal GDP of East Asia is very high. East Asia is very prosperous compared to South and Southeast Asia. Gross domestic product of South Asia is just over 5 trillion USD, way lower than that of East Asia. Even in terms of purchasing power parity, East Asia is way ahead. South Asia is on second spot with GDP PPP of more than 20 trillion USD. Average East Asian is the richest, whereas average South Asian is the poorest among the three. Average Southeast Asian earns double of average South Asian. East Asia is in different league. Literacy rate is highest in East Asia, followed by Southeast Asia and South Asia. Human Development Index is highest in East Asia and lowest in South Asia. HDI of Southeast Asia is in the middle. India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan are the richest countries of South Asia. India alone accounts for more than 80% GDP of South Asia. Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines are the richest countries of Southeast Asia. Indonesia alone accounts for more than 35% GDP of Southeast Asia. China, Japan, and South Korea are the richest countries in East Asia region. China alone accounts for almost 70% GDP of East Asia. East Asia has highest number of billionaires, followed by South Asia and Southeast Asia. Gautam Adani is the richest person of South Asia. He is also the richest person in entire Asia, followed by Mukesh Ambani, who is also an Indian. Delhi, Dhaka, and Mumbai are the most populous cities in South Asia. Manila, Jakarta, and Bangkok are the most populous cities in Southeast Asia, whereas Tokyo, Shanghai, and Beijing are the most populous cities in Eastern Asia region. East Asia has the strongest military in Asia. South Asian military is way stronger than Southeast Asian military. If these three regions went on war, then Southeast Asia might have to surrender first due to less active military personnel, limited military weapons, and no nuclear warheads. War between South Asia and Eastern Asia will be neck to neck, as both regions have huge military base and hundreds of nuclear warheads. But East Asia has an upper edge over South Asia. South Asia has 350 plus nuclear weapons. India and Pakistan are the nuclear nations of South Asia. China is the only country with nuclear weapons in Eastern Asia region. There is no country in Southeast Asia with nuclear weapons. Statue of Unity in South Asia is the tallest statue of the world. Spring Temple Buddha of China is also one of the tallest statues in the world. Merdeka 118 in Malaysia is the tallest building in Southeast Asia. It is the second tallest building in Asia after Burj Khalifa. Yangtze River of China is the third longest river on planet Earth. The Mekong River of Southeast Asia is also one of the longest rivers in the world. South Asia is also home to many rivers including Ganges, Sindhu and Brahmaputra River. Chinese New Year is the most famous festival in Eastern Asia region, whereas Holi and Diwali are the most popular festivals in South Asia. Songkran and Eid are the most famous festival in Southeast Asia region. Life expectancy is highest in East Asia, followed by Southeast Asia and South Asia. An East Asian country, Japan, has the highest life expectancy in the world. Samosa, biryani and butter chicken are one of the most famous dishes in South Asia. Nasi goreng and adobo are very popular in Indonesia and Philippines. Sushi and ramen are one of the most popular dishes from East Asia. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.